Welcome to Innovative Foods. Today I am sharing a comforting Aloo Matar Veg Pulao, fragrant basmati rice cooked with vegetables and whole spices. Let's start the recipe. Take 1 cup basmati rice. Soak it for 10 minutes. Basmati rice gives long fluffy grains. Wash well and keep aside. Heat 3 tablespoons oil in a pan. Add half teaspoon cumin seeds, 4 to 5 green cardamom, 4 to 5 peppercorn, 5 to 6 cloves, 1 black cardamom and 1 cinnamon stick. Add 1/4 cup onion. Saute lightly. Pulao gets its flavor mainly from whole spices. Add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon chili flakes, half teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon garam masala, and half teaspoon salt. Add 2 tablespoons water. Add 2 potatoes, half cup carrot and 2 green chilies. Pour half cup water and cook for 5 minutes. Veg pulao is popular across South Asia. Add half cup green peas, 1 chopped tomato, pour 2 cups water. And let it boil. Add the washed rice and cook uncovered for 5 to 6 minutes until most of the water dries. Now cover the pan. Place it over a pan and dum cook for 10 minutes on low heat. Dum cooking locks in aroma and taste. Fluff gently and serve hot. Raise the pulao before serving for best texture. Rice provides quick energy. Vegetable add fiber and vitamins. Homemade pulao uses controlled oil. Balanced spices aid digestion. Your Aloo Matar Veg Pulao is aromatic, fluffy and perfectly cooked. Serve it with raita, salad or pickle. Try this recipe at home and share your experience. Follow Innovative Foods for more comforting rice dishes.